This Disney DVD is enhanced with Disney's Fast Play. Your movie and a selection of bonus features will begin automatically. To bypass Fast Play, select the main menu button at any time. Fast Play will begin in a moment.
Walt Disney Pictures presents The Little Mermaid.
Oh my gosh.
For the first time ever on a 2-disc special edition DVD.
Sing with me now.
The adventure. The fun. The music. The classic story.
I don't know when,
The child is in love with a human.
but I know something
Disney's The Little Mermaid.
Yes!
Winner of 2 Academy Awards.
That's right.
See, someday I'll be part of your world.
For the first time ever on a 2-disc special edition DVD. October 3rd.
What a soft shell I'm turning out to be.
This spring,
The zoo will officially be ours in 3, 2, and showtime.
What a strange place for a party.
when one of their own is taken away,
Dad!
Ryan!
Help me!
Ryan! No! We've got to find my son.
Okay.
Here I come. Who put that bar there?
5 friends will take on a mission.
Do I look trashy in this?
By land,
Run!
We are going to die.
by air,
Bet you didn't know I could ride geese, did you?
bareback, by sea.
Help, 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 help. Oh, dear. Anyone got any eucalyptus wipes?
And discover
Who are you guys?
We're covert agents. Oh!
You're the worst covert agent ever.
what a jungle the city can be.
Everybody, stay calm.
You and your crew here are a little far from your burrow. Far from your burrow!
They're frighteningly horrible monster beasts. But they're not bad dancers.
Walt Disney Pictures presents
I got Ryan's scent. Ryan!
Doesn't anyone knock anymore?
The Wild. Only in theaters, April 14th.
Half the forest is gone.
Their land has been developed.
These humans don't want us around.
Their survival is at stake.
What do we do for food?
That's easy. I know where the food is. Right over that hedge.
And the most important decision they'll have to make
We want nothing to do with anything that's over that hedge.
is who to follow.
The eyes have it. Let's ride. Welcome to paradise.
So he can do a couple of tricks, not like he can walk on water.
Hey, everybody!
Bruce Willis.
That is an SUV.
It's so big.
How many humans fit in there?
Usually, 1.
Gary Shandling.
Hey there, little fella.
Stop it. Up here. Liking that a lot.
Done. Steve Carell.
I am a crazy rabbit squirrel.
Behind you! Shatner.
Playing possum is what we do. Rosebud.
Can I poke him?
No.
And Wanda Sykes.
Barnhole! Skunk!
Thank you, Stella.
Oh, I can clear a room.
This summer.
Want me to show you what I do with my nuts?
Very tempting, Hammy, very tempting. From DreamWorks, the creators of Shrek and Madagascar.
I'm putting my foot down.
No. Right?
Oh, boy.
Over the Hedge.
You're the devil.
Baby mine, don't you cry. Baby mine, dry your eyes. Rest your head close to my heart, never to part, baby of mine.
Walt Disney Home Entertainment proudly presents a story of loyalty, courage, and triumph. Celebrate Walt Disney's Dumbo in a new special edition coming 2006, only on Disney DVD.
Get ready for the biggest adventure 5 little pups ever had. So run, don't walk, for Disney's all-new adventure. From the doghouse to your house. Air Buddies, the all-new movie, coming soon to Disney DVD. This time, it's all in the family.